Behind this unassuming villa, draped in ivy and leaves, lies one of Europe's darkest secrets. They called it the House of Leaves. For nearly half a century, neighbors whispered about this place. They knew that those who entered often never came out the same. Some never came out at all. This is the story of how an entire nation lived under the watchful eyes of Sigurimi, Albania's feared secret police.
So these are all the different instruments they used for the surveillance in those days, and bugging the other nations and also the individuals to collect the information. Lots of voice recorders, tape recorders and televisions for video surveillance, monitoring, and huge collection of cameras. These small instruments, the transmitters, wireless transmitters, and you see at the extreme end these are all the huge cameras, and these are all the receivers on top. These are all the devices used to install the bugs. And the bug is nothing but a small microphone. What we see inside this very little tiny small instrument. They install in the houses, rooms, and even the places of the people. So this room they have these pictures of where the bug can be installed. There is no place where they cannot install in the shoes, in the picture frames, or any souvenirs that you have, in the dresses, bags, any place it could be, in a pipe. This is a glimpse of how many people were agents, informants out of the total population. It's a huge amount, it's a huge portion of the population was informants. This is the dark room where the photos were developed without even people knowing if pictures was taken, and to prevent enemies. This is a laboratory for developing films. And in this room we have equipment to play the recordings what they have seen, communicating to the next levels. And in this room you can see lots of other expansive equipment used to listen to the recordings and communications as a result of spying on the people. So there is a huge amount of spying during the communism period over the Albanians. So this is how an Albanian traditional living room will be with all this facilities. I mean, you can see the furniture, the wooden furniture, and the wall clock and some other items, small storage units, and the television there, the radio, telephone, and so on. You could probably expect each and every one of these could be installed with a bug in those days. Here we have the basement where we have the interrogation room, and you can see the door, it's all concrete, heavily. Nobody can identify it is there. This is so secret, I mean, nobody can even find out they've been doing all this in this communism days. You see this, even the doors they have created with this concrete, heavy. And this is the House of Leaves, and that's where the basement was. And this is basically the interrogation room where they will let the person who was spied to sit there and record the information.